Good morning. I'm attorney Gary Finklea from the Finklea Law Firm in Florence, South Carolina. Today I'd like to speak with you regarding the South Carolina Eminent Domain Procedure Act, which is found in Title 28 of the South Carolina Code. The past 2 weeks I have been involved in at least 3 different condemnation actions involving TV Road in Florence, Highway 76 in Florence, the I-73 in Dillon County, and there are a lot of similarities in all those cases and a lot of differences. This tape is just for general information. First, the procedure for the state to condemn property is clearly outlined and articulated in Title 28. It's easy to follow the steps which the Department of Transportation must follow in these types of cases. And for the most part, I find that the department tries or is fair and reasonable, particularly after a little bit of negotiation. Therefore, in a lot of these condemnation actions, a landowner may not need the assistance of an attorney. However, there are some cases where there are one or a multitude of issues which make it absolutely necessary that an attorney become involved. In one of the cases in Florence, it was purely an issue of value that I was involved in. And another issue on the one in Florence, it became an issue of little concern with the value offered, but we had to quiet title. It was basically air property that was being condemned, and so the landowners needed assistance in quieting title so the true owners could be paid. In the one for the I-73 in Dillon, that one was not as much about value, but how the department wanted to disperse money among the owners of the property. In that particular case, it involved a person who had a life estate and remainder interest, and sort of a unique circumstance. But in that case, it was absolutely necessary that the landowners retain an attorney. So regardless of what type of issue you have with condemnation, you know, this law firm, and I'm sure many others, will be glad to answer any questions you have, and if it is sufficient enough, or if you'd like to retain us, we'll be glad to assist you. Most attorneys probably take these cases on an hourly basis, but rather than billing monthly, they may wait until you actually get your payment, just depending upon the amount of work done. Some cases may be taken on a contingent fee basis, particularly if there's a disagreement about the amount of money to be paid. So, you know, there's going to be a lot of more of these condemnation actions as I-73 continues to plow through Dillon and Horry counties. Florence County, the Department of Transportation is just beginning to begin the condemnation procedures for the Pamlico Highway, which will span from Florence all the way to 378. And then I think the last stretch in Florence County will be basically the connector on the south end, the expansion of Alligator Road and Freedom Boulevard. I don't think there'll be any condemnation on Freedom Boulevard, but there will be along Alligator Road to 76. So if anyone has any questions concerning condemnation, please have them contact me at the Finklea Law Firm. Our telephone number is 317-4900, or we can be reached through the internet at finkleylaw.com, and my email address is gfinkley@finkleylaw.com. Thank you very much.